Pushing a button on the A320 does not mean it actually worked. The computers might completely ignore your command during an emergency. Flight simmers. If you do not visually verify your actions, you could be flying a dangerously broken airplane. What is the biggest trap when you're running on abnormal checklists? You confidently reach up to the overhead panel and push the exact button that computer tells you to press. Why is simply hearing that physical click never enough? The switch might move under your finger, but the actual mechanical valve deep inside the aircraft could remain totally jammed. How does the pilot monitoring actually prove the system obeyed the command? The secret lies in the lower center screen called the system display. What exactly are you looking for on this digital schematic? After you push any critical system button, you must immediately drop your eyes down to watch the digital lines and symbols physically change shape. What is the perfect example of this mandatory cross-check? If you command the crossbleed valve to close, you must actually watch the little digital line turn sideways on the screen to confirm the bleed air is fully blocked. Pushing the button is only half the job. Real pilots always check the lower screen to prove the aircraft actually execute the digital command. Do you actually monitor the system pages after pressing overhead buttons in the Microsoft Flight Simulator? We will break down exactly how to read the complex bleed air schematic in our next video.